Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. Today we are going to look at this question and it says evaluate square root of 30 to the power of 3 plus 40 to the power of 3 plus 50 to the power of 3. We are going to evaluate this without using calculator. So we have here solution. So here we are going to use two methods for us to see how we are going to arrive at the correct answer. So we have here method 1. We are given square root of 30 to the power of 3 plus 40 to the power of 3 plus 50 to the power of 3. So this, we can rewrite this as square root of 3 times 10 all to the power of 3 plus 4 times 10 all to the power of 3 plus 5 times 10 all to the power of 3. So here in indices, we can separate this. By so doing, this will give us square root of 3 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 3, then plus 5 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 3. So this is what we have. And you can see that we have 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 3, and 10 to the power of 3. So they are common. So we can factor it out. So we have here square root of 10 to the power of 3 into, here will be 3 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3, because this divided by 10 to the power of 3 will give you 4 to the power of 3. Then plus this divided by 10 to the power of 3 will give you 5 to the power of 3. So this is what we have. This is the same thing as square root of 10 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 3 is 27. Then plus 4 to the power of 3 is 64. Then we have plus 5 to the power of 3 is 125. So when we add all this, this will become square root of 10 to the power of 3 into 216. Because if you add 27 plus 64 plus 125 will give you 216. So this is the same thing as, we can rewrite this as square root of 10 to the power of 3 times this 216 is the same thing as 6 to the power of 3. You can see that we have to the power of 3, we have to the power of 3. So we can rewrite this as 10 times 6 all to the power of 3. So this is the same thing as writing 10 times 6 is the same thing as 60 all to the power of 3. This 60 to the power of 3, we can rewrite this as, this will give us 60 to the power of 2 plus 1. As we were told here, or as we did here, this can be written as square root of 60 to the power of 2 times 60 to the power of 1. And we can write this as square root of 60 to the power of 2 times square root of 60. So here, 2 will cancel here and 2 will cancel the square root. We are now left with 60 times square root of 60. This 60 can be written as 4 times 15. 4 times 15. So in this case, we can rewrite it as 60 times square root of 4 times square root of 15. So here, we can rewrite this as, we have 60 times square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 15. 60 times 2 is the same thing as 120 times square root of 15. So this is the answer to this question. And this is method 1. We are going to look at, so this is method 1. We are going to look at the second method for us to see whether we will still arrive at 120 root 15. Before we do that, we need to clean this. So that's the first method. So we have here method 2. So we are still given square root of 30 to the power of 3 plus 40 to the power of 3 plus 50 to the power of 3. So doing, we can go ahead to evaluate this. So this will become square root of 3 to the power of 3 is 27. Then we have here 0. It's going to be 0, 0, 0. Then we have 4 to the power of 3 is 64. So 0 to the power of 3, we add 3 0. Then we have 5 to the power of 3 is 125. Then 0 to the power of 3, we add 3 0. So this is what we have. So in this case, this will give us square root of, when we add this is going to give us 216. Then we replace with 3 0, which is 0 0 0. So this is the same thing as having square root of 216 times 1000. So we can write this as square root of 216 times 10 to the power of 3. So in this case, 216 is the same thing as 6 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 3. So here we can rewrite this as, let's move to this other side, as we have square root of 6 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 3. This is the same thing as square root of 6 times 10 all to the power of 3. 6 times 10 is 60. So we have square root of 60 to the power of 3. We all know that we can rewrite this as square root of 60 to the power of 2 plus 1. This is the same thing as square root of 60 to the power of 2 times 60 to the power of 1. Separating this will give us square root of 60 to the power of 2 times square root of 60. So 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here. We are now left with 60 times square root of, in the place of this 60 is going to be 4 times 15. So in this case, this is the same thing as, come to this side, we have 60 times square root of 4 times square root of 15. Square root of 4 here, or this is the same thing as 60 times square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 15. 60 times 2 is 120 square root of 15. You can see that this method 2, we see how arrive at 120 root 15. And the first method, we see arrive at 120 root 15. Therefore, this answer satisfies this question. You can punch your calculator to see, you will see that you have 120 root 15. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.